Hello, Bigwood friends. We're going to go over how to use the reverse hyper. Let's start with the machine anatomy real quick. We've got our tabletop. We've got the swinging pendulum right here, and this is where all the magic happens, okay? You've got your leg strap, you've got your weight pegs, and your collar, okay? You're going to make sure that when you load it, the strap is on the inside of the plates. The plates go onto the pin, and then the collar goes on to the pin as well. Make sure that you latch this down so you're all locked and loaded, okay? From here, you're going to hook your feet into the strap, and you need to understand that this is a free swinging pendulum. So there's the potential for it to swing and hit you in the shin if you're not keeping tension on this leg strap. So in order to use the machine, you're going to hop up like a beached whale onto this tabletop, keeping tension on the backside. Now, the main thing here is that we want to feel our back round and extend, round and extend. And as we do that, we're going to start out slow, get some speed, and at the top, I'm trying to do just a brief hold. This is great for pushing through fluid through the spine, helping some lower back issues after a heavy squat day. Now that I've had enough, I'm going to slow it down, maintaining tension on the strap so I don't bang myself in the shins. I'm going to hop down. That is the reverse hyper. Have fun.